Welcome everyone in my new series called Is That Easy? In the new series we'll be looking for and making interesting ideas from sites such as Pinterest or others sent by you, the viewers. We'll see if interesting and simple projects are actually easy to do. Enjoy watching! Today we'll try to make an idea that I found on Pinterest. It's a keyring made of coins. As you can see, it's consistent of 3 of them. Each of them has a different milling so that when assembled together they can form a ball. For this project I used old Polish coins. I think the hardest part is understanding how they connect together, so it's worth drawing it to avoid mistakes. Here you can see a diagram which shows which milling cutters fit together. So in the first place we connect the first 2 coins and at the end we add the last one. Before I started cutting out the shapes, I carefully measured the coins to determine how long and how wide the milling should be. In my case the coin had a diameter of 24 mm and was 1.7 mm thick. So for the first and third coin the shorter cuts were 8 mm and the longer one 16 mm. For the second coin the shorter milling was also 8 mm and the 2 longer ones 11.15 mm each. For cutting I used a grinder with a small metal disc. 2 mm diameter hole that was drilled in the third coin allow us to attach to the pendant whatever we want. Also the coin will be connected to each other and will not disconnect. I think the whole thing is quite simple and quick to do if we have the right tools, but if we have only a hand saw to cut it will take us much more time, but it's still doable. The whole project took me about 1.5 hours. And I think that the difficulty of it on a scale of 1 to 5 can be rated as 3, maybe 3.5. I think that is a cool and unique accessory to the keys, and the cost is rather limited to our time and the value of the coins that we use. Thanks for watching, bye!